Hello friends, welcome to Fun Gardening. So today I am here with some interesting fact about Aprajita clitoria. Guys, this is one of the main flowering plant. You can also say essential plant in one's house. Its advantages are many. Let me list out it. The first one is it is perennial plant, gives flower 12 months off and on. Very hardy plant, requires very less care, and flower is so beautiful, will motivate you and relieve your stress. All plant all parts of plant, leaf, root, flower is very good and has various health benefit. You can grow it both as plant and as creeper in any style you want. At the end of video I will show you mine, how the look I have created. It also increases greenery in your home. Very lovely plant. It requires well-draining acidic soil, that is sandy soil, and you can add vermicompost or cow dung compost twice or thrice in a year. It will grow well. You can grow it by seed or by cutting, but cutting will be successful only in rainy season, and watering is very important in this plant, requires proper watering. The season which can be used for growing plant with successful growth will be, I think, rainy, and on you can also grow it well on February month. It takes very less space in your home, so you can grow it on your balcony also. It comes in two color. I have both the variety. You can see both one in same pot, blue color and white one. Let me show you. I have two more plants, actually three. Wait, this is the blue one. See the flower. And one more, I have white variety. 2-3 flowers have bloomed today. You can also see the look which I have created. So the plant starts from here and it turned both sides, one branch on this side and the other on this side, and it came here with this look, and both the plant will join together with this thread. So this is the look I have created, and the before. This is overall. I am waiting for the plant to grow up to the level. It has reached up to here only now. So we are at the end of the video. Jate I will show you overall view of my garden. This zinnia. This is Euphorbia Melia, new one in my garden. Tomato plants have grown well. Flowering has also started in it. This is marigold variety. This is the view from terrace. That's all, friends. Bye bye, stay safe, love you. Till then, take care. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.